How to log in into HDFC Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to log in into the net banking account of HDFC, the process is simple. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and type in HDFC. Tapping on it should give you different options. Tap on the very first one, which is the official website. To directly go to the link, you can tap in or type in www.hdfcbank.com. Once you reach to the home page, you will see a login button on the top right corner. Tap on the drop-down menu and it will take you to another page. From here, select the first option, Net Banking. Tapping on it should now redirect you to another page, which is the login portal. First of all, provide your customer ID or the user ID that you have. Tap on continue and it will take you to another page whereby you have to put in your password. If you do not remember your customer ID, there is an option to recover it as well. For this, you have to tap on the link forgot user ID or customer ID. Then after, you have to verify your identity, authorize it, and you should be able to recover. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.